Hi everyone, welcome to the Dollar Tree. Let's take a look at what they have. So look at these bows. Oh my god, they're so beautiful. And then you have these decorative bows. These are really nice. Let me see. Does it say how much count they are? Okay, so these are new to our Dollar Tree. And then I'm noticing these picks. So these are the pine cone picks. And they're flocked. So these are the ones flocked. And then you have a gold one. And then this is the red one. Aren't they pretty? This is the first time I've seen these. And then they brought back the wooden sign. But it's the Merry and Bright. Yeah, the Merry and Bright. So we have the foam sheets, and here's the Christmas tree. These are felt though. Some of them are felt, some of them are foam. Christmas tree, here's the angel, there's the snowflake, there's the gingerbread and the ceramic characters, and here are the glitter stickers and the foam scatter. And yeah, look, they still have some more of these signs. Okay, so, and then they have the suction cups. These are good for decorating, so you don't put holes in your wall. So they have the smaller ones and then the bigger ones. And then here is what's left of the ribbon and the tulle. Okay. Then we have over here the faux snow. And here is some more ribbon. Here's the one with the truck. And here's some ornament fillers. Some more ribbon, and on the bottom the ornaments they can decorate. We have the mailbox gift boxes. So and they come in sizes. So here's the smaller one. Then we have this size. And then these are like the gingerbread houses, the boxes. Isn't that pretty? Look at this. And so those come in sizes too. So let me scan those for you. Those are so pretty. This is what's left of those little miniatures. Okay, I have the LED paper houses. So this one is the candy shop. That's the church. And that's the candy shop. So those are the only two they have there. Some lights. And here's some solar dancers. And these are, I think these are musical. Motion activated ornaments. So that's the snowman, that's the Santa, and here's the penguin. That's so pretty. These are the color changing taper lights. Then they have these are LED, so these are the elves, and here is the Santa. These are real pretty. And then they have those lights and some of these plastic containers. And I see some doilies. I see some mini bows. Okay, they weren't here before, so they brought out the mini bows. There's the plastic containers. Oh, look, and here is a wreath. Then you have the Crazy Eights. So they have some cards, stocking stuffers, and the ice trays. So here's the door cover. That one says Merry Christmas. And there's the snowman. Okay. Then these are the treat bags. Ho, ho, ho. And it's the most wonderful time of the year. And the gingerbread. I think this one. Look how pretty that is. And there's the truck. Aww. Okay, so here's some plush animals. And these are ornaments. It's not pretty. And they still have some more of these picks. These picks are really cute. And this is a treat bag. I don't think I've seen this design before. And then these are the bracelet bells and the Rudolph nose. So they brought in some new stuff. And then the mini cup baking cups. Yeah, so they have these treat bags. So they have the poinsettia, the Santa, and the penguins all the way in the back. Ho, ho, ho. Then these are loop bags. These are so cute. All right, the resealable ones. Okay, and then here there's some more Christmas trees. And all the plush animals are along the bottom. Here are the pencils and the erasers and the pens and the hopping toys and the novelty sunglasses and the tie. These are so pretty, aren't they? And here's the Rudolph nose and some stickers and tic-tac-toe, some platters. Some more of the zipper seal bags, and right along the top is those light up headbands. Then we have some trays over here and some cookie cutters. And these are some more hopping toys. Okay. And then here are the glasses in the box. Oh, we have the mini boxes for the card holders. Then you have the command hooks over here. And the bags, the gift bags. Okay. Merry and bright, so you get 2 bags. Depends on the size. And then here are the tins. I like these tins because this has the clear plastic. You can see through it. I'm absolutely loving those tins. Okay. This one says it's the most wonderful time of the year. The Santa. 'Tis the season. And here are the round ones. Look at that one. So that one has the camper and the truck. Here are the birds, the gingerbread. And these are some more boxes right here. Okay, some more plastic containers. All the way to the end. Okay. Those are real pretty. Okay, and then you have some Christmas cards over here. Let's see. Alright, so all along this side over here we have some candy canes and some mints. Some Mickey Mouse. Isn't that cute? Candy canes. Some chocolates. Absolutely awesome. Okay, then we have some of those lollipops. Those are still here. These are so pretty. And okay, so guys, that's what I see at the front of the store as far as what's new for Christmas. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.